Hi guys, it's Rachel with WTI, and today I want to talk about my really cute TY toy. This is a Chihuahua, and his name is Chewey. I absolutely love it because I do have a dog at home named Chewey. So I thought that this would be a really good part of my collection for my TYs. And I do like because it is small enough that you can bring it when you want to go. My daughter loves the fact that it has rainbow color all around the neck. She is obsessed with every different color she loves. So she thought that this was absolutely perfect to be on her TY. I love how he has details of the glittery eyes, which a lot of them do. This is a gold. He's got the cute fuzzy little ears and detail. If you look, he's got the tiny little tail at the bottom. He is absolutely soft and perfect. Nice for snuggling on the couch. I absolutely love how tiny he is, and he's got the tiny little paws. And I do love how he has the tag like every other TY with his own little saying inside, and he was born on March 7th. So anybody who likes to collect TYs according to their month and date, he is March 7th, which is super cute. And I think he's absolutely perfect for my collection because I have way too many TYs to begin with. But really, you can never have enough. But that's just my point of view.